everyone, I'm Mansi and I make food, travel and lifestyle videos. Today I'm here in Edison at Sachi Indian Bistro and we are gonna try all the delicious food. So let's go. So Sachi Indian Bistro is located in Edison on Oak Tree Road. As soon as you walk in, there is a modern style interior that's going on. I love all the paintings that they had. It was so aesthetic. The seating arrangement was also really nice. The colors were also popping like the green color. I love the aesthetic of the restaurant. Now looking at the menu, let's order all the delicious food. So I ordered 2 burger combos. The combo comes with fries and drinks. So first combo was Manchurian burger with peri peri fries and the other combo was Chipotle burger with cheese fries. Here I'm trying the peri peri fries and the peri peri masala was really tasty. And let's try the first burger, which is the Manchurian burger. I was actually trying Manchurian for the first time in the burger, so it was literally fascinating to me, and with onions and green peppers and the Manchurian gravy also in the burger, it was good. This burger was a little dry for me, but with ketchup it tasted nice. So now let's taste the cheesy fries. So the cheese fries were obviously cheesy and they tasted nice. And next we have Chipotle burger. I was really excited to try this. So this comes with a Chipotle sauce and of course the patty. This burger I really liked. It was juicy. It has lettuce, tomato, onions. I really loved this one. Now next up we have their most loved tangy red penne pasta. And look how excited I was to try it. So this pasta were really tangy as its name. It was the perfect street style Indian pasta that you can get in India, and I really love the taste of it. It was just a little liquidy for me, like the gravy, but other than that it tasted so good. I would literally go back to have that. And now I'm having masala soda and this was so refreshing. So also with the combo of burger we had got 2 drinks. So I decided to get thumbs up and limca to get that Indian feels with having the Indian street style food. Now it's time for some paneer items. So I got paneer delight pizza, and look how delicious this pizza look with all the cheese, paneer, green pepper, onion and that sauce that they added. It was like a good thin crust pizza. It tasted amazing, very delicious. And here I'm having my favorite limca. I wanted to get something with pesto inside and we already had pizza, so I didn't get the pizza with pesto but ended up getting veg pesto panini. And look at that cheese pool. The panini was decent. It would have tasted nicer if they had used the panini bread, but overall it was decent. And now we have my most favorite momos. So I got steam veg momos. These momos were awesome with perfect kind of filling that goes inside the momo like cabbage, carrot, and the chutney was really nice. Like it was spicy, tangy and tasted so well with the momos. One of the best momos in New Jersey for sure, and my happy dance after eating that says it all. And now it's time for some refreshment again. So we got jamun shots. I love these shots. They were better than the one that I had in India, and the taste literally felt like I was eating an actual jamun. How can I come to a place which sells Maggi and go without eating the Maggi? So decided to get the double masala Maggi, and look how hot and nice it looks. I'm so excited. It was perfectly spiced, perfectly cooked with perfect amount of dryness and graviness that I actually make at home, and it felt so comforting having that. If you live in New Jersey and you are craving Indian street style food, then definitely head to Sachi Indian Bistro.